This video explains how to convert an array to a data frame object in the R programming language. So without much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video, I will show you an example, and for this example, we first need to create an example array, as you can see in lines 2 and 3 of the code. So after running these lines of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new array object is appearing, which is called myArray. And we can print this array to the RStudio console by running line 4 of the code. And then you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that our array contains 4 different elements. We can also check the class of our data object using the class function, as you can see in line 6 of the code. And then you can see that currently our data object has the array class. Now, if we want to convert this array to a data frame object, then we can apply the code that you can see in line 8. And in this line of code, I'm using the as.data.frame.table function to convert our array to a data frame. And within this function, we simply need to specify the name of our array. So in this case, our array is called myArray. And then I'm storing the output of this function in a new data object that I'm calling myData. So after running line 8 of the code, you can see that at the top right of RStudio, a new data object called myData is appearing. And we can print this data object to the bottom in the RStudio console by running line 9 of the code. And then you can see that we have created a new data set which contains 12 rows and 4 columns. And we can also check the class of this data object using the class function once again, as you can see in line 11 of the code. And then you can see that we have converted our array object to a data frame. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.